it's Mayate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies for you guys. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, going over all the steps, what you need. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay guys, first thing you're gonna want to do is put your butter and your sugar together in a mixing bowl, and you want to keep on mixing it until the mixture is fluffy. And you're gonna add your eggs and your vanilla, your flour, and if you have unsalted butter, your salt. Add in your brown sugar to it all. As many chocolate chips as you want. I added only 2 cups because I wanted some chocolate chips left over for breakfast when I have chocolate chip pancakes.